Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring the beautiful world of crochet lace. Crochet lace is one of the most elegant and timeless form of handmade art. With just a hook, yarn and creativity, you can make stunning designs that decorate every corner of your home. Crochet lace is loved because it is light, delicate and beautiful. Every stitch is made by hand, making each piece unique and special. One of the best things about crochet lace is its versatility. You can create small decorations or large home decor pieces. Every project adds warmth and personality to your space. Many beginners start with simple lace patterns. Easy stitches like chains, double crochet and picote can create beautiful designs without being. As your skills grow, you can make more detailed lace with flowers, leaves, shells, fans and geometric patterns. Every new project helps you learn something new. Crochet lace is perfect for making table runners. A beautiful lace runner can turn an ordinary dining table into an elegant centerpiece. Lace dollies are another classic favorite. They look lovely under flower vases, candles, balls, or decorative. Many people enjoy making crochet lace cushion covers, soft lace patterns, and add comfort and beauty to sofas, chairs, and beds. Crochet lace curtains gently filter sunlight and make a room feel bright, peaceful, and welcoming. Beautiful lace borders can also decorate towels, blankets, pillowcases, napkins, and tablecloths. Even a simple border can completely change the look of a fabric. Some people use crochet lace to decorate clothing. Lace collars, sleeves, shawls, scarves, and summer tops always look stylish and elegant. Crochet lace also makes beautiful handbags, bookmarks, coasters, placemats, and wall hangings. These handmade items are practical and at the same time. Choosing the right yarn is important. Cotton yarn is one of the best choices because it creates neat stitches and holds its shape well. Thin crochet thread creates delicate lace with fine details, while thicker yarn produces a bolder and more textured design. White crochet lace is always a classic choice. It gives a clean, fresh and timeless appearance. Cream beige and soft pastel colors are also popular because they match almost every home decoration style. Some people enjoy adding colorful flowers or golden borders to their lace projects for a more decorative look. Crochet lace is also a wonderful handmade gift. Friends and family appreciate the time, care and love behind every handmade piece.